Ali.
Ugh, I hate people that work at the bank. Shh, I work at the bank.
Michael, don't leave me here. Michael, help me.
Fake. Real.
The thing is that the pirates, who knows? You know, can I say something to Todd? Can I say something to, you know? Oh God, she's going berserk.
What? I gave you a whole spoonful already.
Word on the street is,
you messed with my gang.
so you're getting a not-so-friendly visit from Gub Gub, Senor Beatdown, Halloween Joe, and the ace up my sleeve, Larry.
Принц. Принцуль. Принц. Куда ты полез? I hate why man, I'm gonna keep looking at my bacon sideways though, bro. Got my bacon right here. Yo, hey Mel, hey yo. How the fuck you take my bacon, nigga? Huh? How the fuck you take my bacon, nigga? Now I got you on the yoke. You see what's the consequences and repercussions behind that, right, nigga? No.
You can take my ears, but you cannot take my liberty. They want to cut off my ears like the Taliban, but what they don't know is my ears can grow back, like SpongeBob, through budding, by the way.
Why won't you adopt me?
I'm not gonna say it!
Why won't you adopt me?
Because you're black!
Broccoli, apples, pears, bananas, carrots, chicken.
Oh, no. You don't need more food. You have some.
Bro, are you good?
They said silliness is good. I may have got too silly.
Hey, what you doing?
How much more of a circle can you be?
Why are you dirty? How did you get dirty?
No!
Yay. You're not as much of a little demon as they thought you were.
Oh.
Alright, good morning. I want to show you guys what I deal with Pumpkin every day. What are you doing? Pumpkin. You are crazy. You are crazy. Stop! I promise he gets fed.
哎呀，把你舒服的呀！你看，哎呦呦，爽吧？我给他挠挠挠，他把你舒服的，爽不爽？爽不爽？爽不爽？芭比芭比芭比芭。